Hello, I am Buck WSR Weezer, putting the do into do-it-yourself, and we have here in front of us today a Troy-built pressure washer. It's got a Honda GC160 engine, and I'm told it doesn't run. So what do you think's wrong with it? You want to take any guesses before we even jump into it? I'll take a guess. It sat so long since it was last used that we're not getting any fuel flow through the carburetor jet. So we are going to just see what we get. I haven't done anything to it. All I did is hook up the hoses. I'm going to turn on the garden hose so there's water to it, and we'll see what happens. And based on what we find out, we'll take it from there. Okay. Choke. Twice choke. Here's the air cleaner. Let's probably pull the choke. Pull it. This is the on position. All right. You ready? Sometimes I wonder why people even bring stuff to me. It started easily. Do you think people just don't know how to run their equipment? Okay, so it started up on a few pulls. Had it choked. When I pushed the choke back in, it surged a little bit, but it's substantially fine. And I don't really think there's anything that needs to do with it. In fact, I don't even think I want to post this video. Because this is what you call an ID10T error. You think about that for a while. All right. I just have nothing else to say. See ya.